Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick video, I'll show you how to completely remove the lock screen on your Android phone, whether it's a PIN, password or something. Let's get right into it, but before doing it, I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel. So first of all, we have to unlock our phone. So here you can see that I already have unlocked my phone. So the first and foremost thing is go to your settings. You can go to settings from your apps bar, or you can swipe down the notification bar or click on this gear icon on the top right corner. Just click on it. And now you will enter on your settings of the phone. Just normally scroll down a bit again, and here you will get another option, password and security. Click on that. And here you will see all of the available security options, lock screen password, fingerprint, privacy password, and so on. For example, I want to remove this lock screen password, so I'm choosing this one. And now I have to provide my password. Here you will see a black screen for the security issue. So I'm providing my current password here. Just provide like me. And then normally choose turn off password. And then choose disable. Now you have to provide again your PIN to remove this. So I'm providing my PIN again. So this is the PIN actually that you have used whenever you was trying to turn on your security or lock. So here you can see that my lock screen password is now turned off. So if I turn off the screen of my phone right now and turn on it again, here you can see that there is no password or pattern. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to remove any kind of PIN, pattern or security from your phone. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.